Saying with it, well, we cool in backyard vibing. Early morning with it right now, y'all. Oh, I'm about to jump in. Mind you know that water cold?
This water freezing.
Oh no. Oh no, you tripping.
Go. I am jumping.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's too cold.
You tripping.
It's freezing.
Why you got in this pool, man?
To clean it.
What?
And it's not even dirty like that.
It is.
It is?
I gotta
Yeah.
clean this
Oh
up.
my God. She tripping. I found some trails, y'all. That was dope. I gotta show y'all that. I gotta get the GoPro. Y'all gotta see that. But,
You found what?
some trails, riding trails. What's on today's agenda? Right now, I'm editing inside on the laptop, but I want
My bathroom better be ready for me.
110. I wrote it here, but it's on the flat. I need an F. I need something else. I know, man. So JoJo Dirt Bike is on the flat, y'all. And I gotta fix that. And I wanted to ride it today on the channel, so what y'all think about that? Y'all wanna see me ride the 110 today? Cause that's like the only bike we can ride right now. And
Jacob help them push
I
it.
got my phone in my pocket.
Push it, so. Yeah. Y'all scary. Y'all scattering this.
She got her phone in her
Y'all, no, she lying.
I ain't in it. I don't even care. I'm out to go finish editing. I'm gonna let them do their thing. I ain't pushing nobody in. So in the meantime, make sure you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. I don't really know what we doing today, y'all, but I do want to ride the 110. I want to wheelie it. I want to see if I can wheelie it like with both of my foots down and just see if I can wheelie it for a long time. Like, I don't know, practice on my throttle control. You know? Maybe so. Something like that. I don't know. Whatever I do, I'm going to the grass. I'm not going to do this in the concrete. I'm going to the grass. I don't want to fall. Man. But I miss you guys, man. I hope you guys miss me, man. Y'all already know it's a lifestyle, man. I'm Jacob's Lifestyle. Remember, y'all, killing your own ain't gangster, man. Shout out to my dude, Young Pro, man. He in the city holding it down. New Orleans, stand up, man. What up? So, stay tuned. And we gonna see what we get in today. In the meantime, let me go get this video to y'all.
And I ain't been feeling y'all lately. I just wanna check y'all pay me.
Just like that, we back in action. Just wait on it. See y'all, bro. Let's to the beach. People, man. Come on, you want to be gangster so bad, huh? Come on.
Like that.
Come on. Come on, you bought it. Man, look at your face, yo. He did it. What's poppin', world, man? See, earlier, we ordered the parts for the dirt bike. And then, man, Legend, we took a stroll to the beach, man. The beach was closed, y'all. Legend down there. Look at him. Why you so scary, dude? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. But, man, I'm meeting up with my cousin right now. He got me in the hood, kind of like, this is the hood. Like, this crazy. I ain't see this in a minute. Yeah, man, it's not fun. You know, people outside on some hood stuff. I was parked in the streets, but you know, by me being a I don't even know, man, I don't know who house right here. I don't know none of that. By me being I guess a hood nigga, that's what I decided to do. You hear me? Oh, that boy go. He just pulled up. You hear me? But I just seen that, son. Oh, one of them bubbers on, money. Quarantine. What's that with y'all boys though? Where y'all at with it? How about go to the store? Where your crib at, money? Huh? Oh, where his crib at? Oh, who right here? Who live right there?
I don't know, right there.
Is your people?
Yeah.
Some fuck. I ain't done well. Trying to see what I'm about to do. I about to swing back this way. Cause I was gonna come with you, but I don't know. It ain't my hood. Huh? Go do your thing. I'm gonna be right here probably. Most likely. I'ma just let him go do his thing. I ain't tripping on nothing, man. I seen a dirt bike, so I really wanna go see who that is. Honestly, kinda. You hear me? Just off the street. It is what it is. It is Jacob's lifestyle, and this is what I'm type of stuff I'm on. I seen a dirt bike, I wanna go see. So let's go see, you hear me? Let's go see. Told y'all I'm in the hood with it too. I don't know who hood, but I'm in it. For real. They got a bunch of people out too. It's supposed to be quarantine. Bunch of people out. They got dogs out. That's a nice dog too. I'm gonna try to show y'all. We just riding in the hood, y'all. I don't know who hood, but we in it. That's a nice dog. The dirt bike went this way. So let's go see if I can find it. Let's see if we can find this dirt bike, y'all. Let me know if y'all see it. People is outside back here. Ain't no quarantine going on at all. Look. Look. Ain't no quarantine going on. I'm riding around with this big old camera. Everybody probably like, who that is? I seen a dirt bike. That's all I do know. I know I seen a dirt bike around one and mess something up. Dang. We got shit, we can find that bike. What's this? On a hunt for a dirt bike, y'all? Dawg, I really hope we find it. Oh, I don't know. Look where I'm at, yo. I'm riding all back here. I see stuff all over here. Like, let's get y'all right. Can't wait to get that good camera for y'all with a perfect lens. That's gonna be perfect enough for me. I needed to see what I see. If I see it, I feel like the camera need to be able to see it just as much as I see it. You know? Yay. I don't know, y'all. Ain't looking too good on this dirt bike situation. Ain't looking too good. Let's see if I hear it. Was he just spinning around here? That's what I think. I think he was just spinning around this bitch. We ain't tripping, you know them bitches be on me all day. Keep that bitch. Deep in that car too. Jacob's lifestyle, man. I guess I let y'all have that. Ain't to prove nothing. I don't like that type of stuff, honestly. I just want to have me a nice little piece of property on a piece of property on some land, you know. Dang, we in the fucking trenches. Oh, that go the dirt bike, man. This the real hood. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. We could be mobbing back here like that. I don't know too much. Facts. I think that's dude. We gonna go see what's down with this real life Paris shit, huh? Alright. We gonna see what's down. I ain't scared. I'm out here, you hear me? We out here. Hold on. I'm about to get out on them boys. I ain't tripping. We out here, you hear me? Deep in the trenches right quick. We gonna see what poppin'. So what's down with y'all? Can park right here right quick? I ain't gonna be that long. For sure. Word. We out here, man. It's real trenches shit. For sure. Sit what's down.
Where you got that?
Huh?
Where you got that?
We out with you. Fuck it. Yeah, what's down with you, dog? Look, I was just, you know, cruising around this bitch, and I seen that bitch. What's down with y'all? So I'm like, I gotta go find that bitch. Yeah, man. I seen you hit this bend over that way. I just wanted to come peep it out, you hear me, for the channel. Type of shit I was on, son. But I found the dirt bike though, you hear me? Yeah, dog.
Fuck it up, man.
Jacob's Lifestyle, man.
Nigga know who I am?
Hey, look, huh?
You know who I am? A Buster brother.
Buster brother?
He's a cousin.
Oh, where?
Yeah.
What's down with you?
Yeah, Ruger right there.
He out here?
Yeah, he right there in the car.
Word. It's them trenches, huh? Y'all out here. I was like, man, like, I don't even know these dudes like that. I'ma just go see what's down though. Fuck it, I'm with it. I'm trench shit. What's down with y'all boys? Oh, there you go. What's poppin'?
You double out here, you bring the bikes out too?
No, y'all got them bitches already. Y'all got them already, you hear me? You know.
Was that it? Yeah.
On the lifestyle, do that lifestyle shit, bro. That's all.
Bag life shit, you dig. Shout out to the lifestyle, man.
You already know, man. You know, step through the trends and see them real niggas out here.
Talk.
He cool and too, ain't too much, he good. You said? He good, he ain't tripping, doing too much tripping on it.
You dig?
Look, the bike brought me this way, dude.
Right, oh yeah.
You feel me? I had that happen. For sure. We out do, you hear me? Some chill shit, man. You want me to bring the camera over there? Alright, I got you. See what's in right quick. Trent shake, what's down? I'm coolin'.
Fooling on a regular day right
fucking back to the fucking trenches, man.
My name, man, I turn my
shit, bitch, you dig? Fuck a nigga, all we do is get money, man.
Yeah, man.
You dig? If your bag ain't up, you can't chill with us, man.
Can't come around here.
Where we at with it, yeah?
At the back.
Back life, nigga. Wait till the nighttime, you gonna see how we get it jumped.
See what y'all boys doing back here? What y'all do back here?
Man, we get it in. This the real trenches. If you know what the trenches is, you know what we do. Whatever. So we don't even gotta explain that on camera, you hear me? Nigga know what's down, man.
Do whatever.
Our parents don't take care of us. We get it in ourselves. Our parents don't take care of us, man. We get in that.
Right, it's a lifestyle, man.
Yeah, you hear me? It's a lifestyle.
So we just stepped in the trenches right quick, you hear me, world? And when we run into, you hear me, just, we ain't even vibes right now with it, ain't about nothing.
You remember around the other day, you remember?
Huh? Yeah. I seen you. I was with you. Huh?
We'll go back.
Bro, whenever, son.
We gonna go to the city though. We always trying to go to the city.
Oh, y'all come and fuck with that with us?
Yeah, we go to the city.
I bet. We gotta lock it in. I just ordered the parts for my bike today. You hear me? So
That will go today. Think we did that focus on the day.
I ain't riding today. Cause I don't want to be on that 250. My bike down. It's in the shop.
How about you got?
I got a CRL 250.
You willing that bitch?
Not like I would have this four-wheeler. But fuck, I'm being on that bitch.
What you doing waiting out here, man?
Yeah, we in the hood with the camera today.
There was type of shit that going on, big money shit. Called the canal. 1400 Alamo shit, man. Worldwide, man. Rest in peace, V. Rest in peace, Nut. You heard me? Yeah, free killer, free whoop. You know what I'm saying? This type of shit that's going on around here all day, man. They got enough money, enough motherfucking sense to put that bitch on a nigga head, man. Yeah. We ain't ducking no wrecks. 1400 gang shit, man.
Throw that That's a loud one, you know what I'm saying?
That bitch a loud one. You're supposed to be real wide.
Still recording? Still recording, check out? Yeah, you don't know that fucking cut off for this bitch, you hear me? Rest bees, you understand? In the Paris bike like you did. Yeah, yeah.
Big.
Yeah, straight out of the bottom. You know crawfish and gumbo. Ain't no nigga ever gave me shit. Ever paid my rent. Fucking made me rich. Nope.